Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting the device. Make a full backup of the Kobo or root folder so you can restore the original screensaver. Next, prepare your image. Convert to PNG or JPG and match the eReader resolution. Convert to grayscale if the device favors it. Once done, connect the Kobo via USB and confirm it mounted as a drive on your computer. Make sure you note the exact file name and folder where the stock screensaver lives before you replace anything, because you will need that name. Now you replace the file. Rename your image to match the original screensaver file name exactly. Use underscores instead of spaces, and keep the same extension. Then copy that file into the same folder on the Kobo where the original resided. Once copied, set the file permissions so the device can read the file. On most systems, that means owner read permissions at minimum. When the transfer finishes, safely eject the device to avoid corrupting data, because an interrupted write will break the screensaver. Finish by rebooting the Kobo so it reloads the screensaver assets, then lock or close the reader to confirm the new image displays. If the custom image does not appear, make sure the file name, image resolution, file format, and permissions match the originals. Small mismatches prevent loading. If problems persist, restore your backup copy to return to the stock screensaver and retry with a different image or format. One key tip: always keep the original file saved so you can restore the device quickly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.